Alright, I'm going to show you a bit of a DIY project today. Do you reckon you can guess what it is? You know how annoying it is when you've got 100 million keys, or actually 7, for your caravan, but they're all different, and every different key opens a different hatch. Well, yeah, if you're like me, you'll know how I feel. But sometimes people get lucky and you get like all your keys keyed alike, or all your key barrels keyed alike. We're not so lucky. So anyway, I'll take you for a quick walk around the van because I'm going to turn these 7 keys into one. I'll show you all about it, bit of a DIY. They just get sent out to you, right? You can get them installed around the country, but I reckon I'll be able to do it. But come for a quick look, because what I want to show you is, look, this one here, when you go around your locks, they've got numbers on them which tell you what key goes in what latch. Anyway, this one is a 21, this one is a 23, so they're different. These two, they're different keys again. Come this way. This one, that's a different key. There's, how many is that already? 4 keys. This one here, oh, this one we're lucky, that's the same as the toilet hatch. This one's different. Come around here. Keep coming. You gotta keep up, wifey. This one's different, but I'll have to get that changed eventually. This one's the same as the other toolbox. This one's different. Come over here. The water ones, they're different. Far out. And then come down here. And this one here, oh, this one's the same as the airbag hatch. So there we go. How many different ones was that? I lost count. But the point is, it's super annoying, and you're always forever like trying to read the number on the key and the number on the latch and put it in. I just want one key, all right? So today I'm going to make it happen. Keen? I'll come and show you. All right, so I'll give you a bit more info. Here is a box of goodies, all right, that I received in the mail. Now I'm going to put the business name down here. It's a small business from Port Stephens, so what is it? Hashtag support local. Anyway, I do like helping out small business along the road. So these guys have kindly sent this out to us to do a video and install it. You know what happened? They seen me whinging about it a while ago in stories, going, oh, these bloody keys. Anyway, nice enough of those guys to go, hey, I'll send you some out, you can change them, you can thank me later. Well, to thank them, I'm going to show you guys about it, because I reckon you can get some good info out of this. This is the little box, right? So what I did, I just took photos of all the latches for them and sent it through, and they're like, yep, sweet, that's this one, this one, this one. So what we've got, this is a new Kamek door barrel, so that one will go in the front door. And then you've got, oh, we've got a couple of boxes of just new compression locks. So these ones will just actually change out the whole thing, and they will all be keyed alike to the same front door key. So we've got 2 boxes of those. There you go. This is their logo, by the way. 1 key caravan. Pretty cool. And then there is padlocks. So for me toolboxes and bike locks and stuff, they have sent us a couple of padlocks out. They're all keyed the same as well. So you never have to go searching through a pile of keys. You're not swinging around on them. Righto, that is it, mate. Super simple, comes out in the post. You can get anywhere around the country. Or I know the guys, they do have like install centers around the joint, so you could drop in and they can fit them all for you. But that's it. I'm going to start on, let's start on the front door. And I'll just quickly show you how each one's done. And then all these, well, they can go in the bin. Alrighty. Now I'm going to start with the front door because I reckon it's probably the easiest one. Look at this. This is the new barrel. It comes with the blue key. This is the old one. All you have to do is unlock it with your original key and then put this red key in it, and that's a barrel removal key. Look at this. It just pulls the whole damn barrel out, right? And then, there it is. So hang on, did I get that or did I not show it? You just pull the whole barrel out. Look at that. Now this one can go over here. Now this is a new one. All we have to do is line up how the old one went in, like so. And then this one's got a little push pin on there. Let's slide him in to the side. And then that's it. Lock the door. Take the key out. Done and dusted. Gosh, how easy was that? There you go. There's the front door done in about 25 seconds. I reckon the others might take a little bit longer. But how good's that? Now everything is going to be this one key. Sick. Righto, let's look at the gear we got here. So here's all the new compression locks all laid out. There's the keys. You get a heap of keys, even though they're all the same key. So you'll be able to have one on your car keys, one on your van keys, spare ones hidden around the joint. They will open everything. Now he sent me a little bit of this stuff. He reckons this is the best stuff to put in them. It's just a corrosion protector to put in your lock barrels to keep them turning. Anyway, I'd say it's some sort of graphite dust or something, but we'll have a look at that soon. Now, I've just changed a couple to practice to make sure I can do it properly and show you guys. Now, all you need is either a spanner or a shifter and a screwdriver, and that's it. So I'll get into it and show you one, but they come like this. All right, all you need to do, hang on, let me hang this camera up and I'll show you. So they come like this, but that's just for packaging, right? So you just got to undo the lock nut, and this is how you adjust the tab on your lock to give it more compression or not. Now all you got to do is take this off, flip it around and face it the other way. There you go. So that way when you shut it, it's actually grabbing on the door and locking it. Okay, so then we put the lock washer back on, we put the nut back on just loosely, and then you can adjust how far they come out by winding this inner nut out, and then you can lock it off at what works well for your compression with the outer one. Just nip those two up. There you go. Now what holds it in the door is just this screw here. So you have this one Phillips head screw with a lock washer on it. We'll take that out, and it has a locking tab behind it. All right, so there's the washer, then we remove that, that's the tab. So when we take the old one out of the door, all you do is feed this one in, put that on the back of it, put the screw back in without dropping everything, put the screw back in, and then adjust your lock. All right, I'll show you on this front boot hatch here. Righto, let's kick off with this front boot one. There you go. All you got to do is find the screw on the back of the locking tab, undo it like so. Alright, and that's going to come off, and then watch the lock straight out. Okay, super simple, eh? Then we grab our new one that we've half set up. Here it is. We feed this one in, make sure they go on, tabs are out like that. Then we put our lock tab over the top. Oh, lost him. Like so. And put our screw back in. Do that up. And tweak it up with a screwdriver. Alright. How good's that? There's a new one locked in. So let's show you how to adjust them to get the compression right. If we've got him here, if you want to adjust this to make it tighter to close it, you need to make it closer. So you've got to loosen the inside thread, drop the tab down, tighten the outside one. Now I just do it finger tight, and then you try it. Ready? Push him in, twist him, goes down. So that's pretty good, but if it feels too loose, you can nip it up a bit. If it's too tight and you can't get this to go flush, you need to loosen it off a bit. So I reckon I just want to go that little bit tighter. So you just undo him by hand, try it a few threads tighter, and I reckon that's perfect. So then all you do is undo it and lock up your lock nuts with a spanner. Just like that. Perfect. Happy days. Well, that's it, mate. I've got 6 more of these to go to change my van out to having 1 key. Now the only things I'll have left that isn't this key is those drop down tables, and that's okay. We can just keep that key inside anyway. Doesn't matter too much that we just have to grab that one to unlock it. I would like to turn them into a push button one. So if anyone knows if you've got like a push button tab instead of a key lock for those drop down tables, that'd be super handy, eh? Anyway, I might have to design that one myself. All right, thanks guys. Comments, questions, feedback down below. Get onto these guys if you want. the info's down here. Good little DIY job for you. And save you the hassle of all these keys. Where'd they go? Look at them. Always lose them too. Big bunch of snot. See ya.